everyone. I'm Joy. Hi. And the channel you're watching is Everything Diamond Painting. I got some special things to show you tonight. I've got some unboxings and unbaggings that have come in, throughout the weeks. And so I think I'm going to kind of split this video. I want to, first of all, I have some shout outs to do. I want to thank some very special people for buying me a coffee. And the first one I want to thank is my really good friend, Tracy Tiffin. She bought me 1 cup, and I met her through Diamond Art Club, the VIP group, and she lives about 6 hours from me here in Washington, and we met, and we've been best friends ever since. And she's just very special to me to buy me a coffee to help out my channel and give me some support. Another thank you goes to Tracy Strand of Tig's Trays. She's become a special friend of mine too. And here's one of her trays here that I've got. I'm sure a lot of you have seen these already. Nice. Oh, I got some drills in there. So anyway, she makes these trays. Nice little click on it. Tig's Trays. And this is her unicorn color. And she bought me a coffee. And I'm so appreciative for that, for her supporting my channel. And another special shout out for Mindy at Diamond Moments and Crafts. She bought me a coffee, and I'm just so appreciative of that. That was a nice surprise for me. And so, I just want to thank you all, you girls, for helping me out here. Everything I purchase and show on this channel is spent out of my own money, and it really that really helps me bring more things to the channel and support. So thank you very much, ladies. And there's a link in my description box for buy me a coffee if you should like to help support the channel so I can keep bringing you these videos. Okay, enough on that. I want to thank my subscribers. I'm glad you're here with me. If it weren't for you, I probably wouldn't be doing these. And anybody new, welcome. Say hello to me in the comment section, and let me know who you are. If you just tuned in, stick around, watch what I got. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Subscribe, hit the bell for future notifications of my videos, and hit the like button. I always like to see those likes and know that people out there are watching me. Okay, so let's get on with the show, as they say in the movie industry, I guess. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you tonight, I've got some diamond painting pens. I've already been using a couple of them. Just haven't done a video in a long time, but I still want to share them with you. This first one is from Lady Lathe Custom Pens, Tracy. She had these with a group of other pens on sale on her Facebook page, and so I picked this one. It's a lovely pen. When I saw it, I just saw this part of the pen. But then when I got it, I also saw this part of the pen. Isn't that beautiful? And I don't know if I've showed this on here or not, but I'm going to show you again. I just love it. I love the colors on it, that like it's half and half. Oh, and by the way, this pen has the Lexi Lily tip, Lexi Lily craft tip Oh, that's hard to get out of my mouth. And I have these on most of all my pens. I got them in different colors, and I'll have that link down there. All these things I'm showing you tonight, I'll have the links in my description box for you in case you want to check them out. So anyway, this one is this one she called a thick pen. It's very nice. I didn't have a thick pen before, so I got this, and it actually feels really good in my hand. So I've been using this a lot, and it's kind of like got fall colors in it. That's why I liked it. Okay. Alrighty, so there's that one. This next one I got in a prize package from Tracy at Tig's Trays. I won a second place in her Tig's summer paint along. I was the second one who got done with my diamond painting, and I think I showed you that, the mermaid from Diamond Art Club. This one I have not got a pen tip for, but I'm going to be ordering some more. But this pen is a super cool pen. I like the way it's shaped here for your fingers, but then it's thicker on this end for multi-placing. So you have a better grip when you control with the multi-placer, and I have a 4-placer on here. This is another one I have to buy a tip for. But look at these pretty colors. Isn't that nice? It's blues and lavenders and pinks, and it's got like a sparkle in there. Can you see that? Very pretty. Very pretty. I just love it. And I've been using this a lot too, so yeah, it's already unbagged. But look at the pretty pearl in it. Look at that, how it shines. See that? Look at that. Okay, so there we go. I love this pen too. And this one she sent to me. She got from Frank Columbus Hall. And like I said, it was in a prize package that she sent to me. I will have his Facebook group in the description box. I haven't seen a website yet, but I know he has a Facebook page, so I will put that down there in case you want to see any more of his creations. Okay, now this next one is a unique one. This comes from Kevin Carpenter. This is a resin base, and it's got dolphins in it. Can you see that? See the dolphins? It's really pretty. Yeah. This is a palm placer. As you see, it fits nice in my palm. But what's unique about it is it's a 3D printed cube. Okay, so let me hold this up a little bit. It's a 3D printed cube. I'll turn it around for you so you can see. Look at that. And this is how the top looks. You can actually see through this if you hold it up to the light. You can see to the other end. But I love how it's got the patterns in it. And then the same thing with the bottom. You can see through that if you hold it up to the light. It looks like a prism inside. I can't really get that close look in the camera, but trust me, it's beautiful. And the reason why this attracted me was because I love hot air balloons, and this reminded me of a hot air balloon. And I also have this picture from, and it sits in the base like this. So it's not, or here, I'll show you like that. It sits in the base like this. So here I can kind of turn it around for you so you can see the special glow in it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? But I also got this craftably painting, diamond painting, and it's called Coastal Flight, and it has the balloons in it. And I also have one hanging on my wall already, a little 30 by 40. But look at that. It goes with the pen. Isn't that cool? It goes with the pen. So I had to have it. And yes, so definitely I'll be using this pen when I do this painting. I don't know if you can get a real good close look at that. But yeah, there's all the hot air balloons in there. So I bring it up closer. Will it give me a good, maybe if I hold it like this? I know I did a unboxing on this. There we go. There's Coastal Flight. Can you see? So I'll have the up in the corner here. I'll have the unboxing for this so you can see the whole picture. So anyway, thank you, Kevin Carpenter, for this. It's just beautiful. Okay, so yes, I've tested that out already too. Okay, so the next one I have is a brand new one. I haven't opened it yet. I left it for tonight. Like I said, I've had these pens for, a couple of weeks now. But this one came in the mail earlier in the week. And it's a custom pen by AK Custom Woodworking. Now, I've got another pen from him, which is, I'm using it in my kitchen, so I can't show that to you, but I did have an opening of that, so I can probably put that on there too. But look how he wraps his pens. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's got a nice little ribbon on here. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm going to do it with you right now. Look at that. Look at that rainbow ribbon. Isn't that beautiful? Cool. Look at that. And here is a thank you. Your purchase made my day. I hope this package brightens yours. If you love your order, let us know by leaving feedback on their Facebook page. And a big old thank you there. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. And we got it looks like a sticker. Okay. And it says, find the good. Yes. Find the good. I actually agree with that. Find the good in everything and everybody, and you'll be happy. Okay, instead of thinking of the bad things, find the good things to think about. That's a nice sticker. That's going to go somewhere around my room here. Okay, let's get this open. Let's see what we got. I remember ordering this. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I don't have my scissors with me at the moment. Or maybe I do. I don't know. I don't think I have my scissors here. I had some pink ones around. I move my stuff a lot while I'm working in here. I'm going to have to just rip this open because I don't have a X-Acto knife in here either. I am so sorry. Here, let's see if I can pull this off. Doing this live, it's not prepared. All right, there we go. Got that off. Okay, are we ready to see this pen? Because I haven't seen it yet. Here we go. I'm going to turn it over. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to take it out. And he ships these in these nice little pen holders. Look at that. So nothing happens to them. And they stay nice and snug in there so they don't get ruined by the mail. I'm going to put that over on the side. All right. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Bright red and white. Good for Christmas. I think that's what caught me. And the way the description was a nice red with a creamy white side to it. Creamy white. Yeah, it looks creamy white, doesn't it? And it has a straightener, little plastic straightener on the end there. And of course, I'm going to have to get a tip for that. But isn't that beautiful? Let me hold it up there for you. Look at that. Beautiful red and white. I had nothing like this at all in my pen set. So I had to order it. You guys check him out. I'll have his link down there too. He's on Facebook. He posts his pens regularly. They're just beautiful. I wish I could buy them all, but I can't. So anyway, that's what I got for you tonight. Isn't that gorgeous? So I've ordered a couple more pen holders because it looks like I'm going to need them. So as soon as I get those, I'll be sharing those. So I hope you like what I showed tonight. I've got these coming up. That'll be in another video. I didn't want to take too long. So I'm going to say goodbye now, and hope you guys have a good evening. It's evening here, and come back. And it's been fun. So I'm going to wave goodbye now, and we'll talk to you later.